Alright, we got one team, guys. Let's land in the middle, yeah?
Yeah, sure.
They're all on us. Up.
Giving my shield to recharge.
Enemy over there.
Enemy killed.
Patching myself up.
Reloading. Juicing me shields.
Recharging shields.
Right there.
Enemy here.
Contact with target.
I'm gonna go through the middle.
One inside.
Cluster out.
Right here. Crack.
Enemy.
One.
Right here.
Snipers down. One squad closer to win.
Nice.
10 seconds. The ring's close. Well, I'm your new kill leader.
Sniped.
Enemy over there.
Extended light mag here. Level 2.
Extended light mag here. Level 1. Might be some old SMG here. Thank you. I am taking fire, friends.
Recharging me shield.
Giving my shield to recharge.
We're just gonna keep doing that. We might as well leave the match. We just go.
Let's explore this way.
Blowing this hold open. Down your fingers and toes, kid.
I'm looting here.
Green spot.
They're absolute little rats.
That'd be an enemy, fellas.
Yeah, let's go. Let's go to the party, yeah?
We ought to go here.
Oh, over there.
Enemy spotted.
A bit further. I'm gonna go on top of the building, maybe.
Other loads coming. Cover your stashes, eh? Recharging me shields.
Hostile over there.
Yeah, everyone's so far away, eh? Fuck.
Juicing me shields.
A man vented him.
Reloading.
Wraith.
Being shot at.
Fuck.
We're down a squatting.
Attention. The kill leader has been eliminated. Movement in progress.
Lucky up.
Another cluster out. Deploying me knuckle cluster.
The enemies are shooting at me. Recharging shields.
We need to go because they're coming behind us too. Has everyone just got a fucking sniper? Holy shit!
Using grapple. Giving my shields a recharge.
Oh, up there.
Coming to kill
Enemy
us.
Vantage again.
Serving him a knuckle sandwich. Deploying me knuckle cluster.
Grappling. Half the squads remain. Throwing a respawn beacon for us. Giving my shields a recharge.
Healing up. She'll be right. We ought to go here. Let's this way.
Supply bin there.
I don't know what you're doing, dude, but we need to go now, guys. We need to go. We need to go now. Okay, let's go. Wraith just has to stay if he's not going to come.
Spies on the new kill leader.
Warning. Ring closing.
Rings coming in.
Care package being
Opening fire.
Come this way. You got one?
Fight.
Cracked an enemy shield.
Got him. One more. One more.
Enemies are shooting at us.
Right here, right here. No shield. No shield. No shield.
Enemy shield broken.
Juicing me shields.
Recharging shields.
Clown here.
Just keep moving. I've got to reject. Just move, Grace.
Clown taken down.
They spotted me. I'm taking shots.
Taking fire, friends.
Enemy killed.
Good job.
Throwing Arc Star. Arc Star out.
Another team coming through there.
Target spotted.
Recharging my shield.
Guys, watch it. Watch the spot. Watch the spot.
Launching me knuckle cluster.
Yeah, nice.
Hurling arc star.
There's a death box right here. Thanks. Behind us is a fucking another Vantage, as usual.
Enemy over there.
Cluster out.
If anyone's got nades,
Recharging the shields.
Firing.
They just went from another direction, I guess.
look out behind you. Look out behind
Recharging
you.
me shields.
There's a Vantage trying to shoot us constantly. It's so annoying. There's like a million of them.
Syringe here. Ring will be closing in 30, but she ain't far.
Healing up. Eyes are open though.
Got me eye on an enemy nearby.
Yeah.
Launching me knuckle cluster.
Are you still hitting them? Okay. Yeah. Cracked one.
Reloading.
Solo's dropping. Hold on to your hat. Serving him a knuckle sandwich.
Okay, we need to go this way.
This way.
We-
Broke that enemy shield.
nice.
Recharging my
Just take the tunnel.
Yeah, I am. I'm just watching to see if anyone comes through or not.
New kill leader out there. What a go-getter. Juicing me shields.
Just watch it because they might. They're going to be running. They're going to be coming this way. It's up to guys if they survive. Thanks, I'll take it.
Enemy knuckle cluster. Squad's attacking us. Here comes the old knuckle cluster. Juicing me shields.
Fuck, I've got like no ammo.
See, I have like 25.
25-14. Damn it, I got nothing.
Shields.
I gotta save all my ammo.
1 minute, and the ring's spitting distance, folks.
I've only got Volt, bro.
Reckon we should go
Target
here.
over there.
I can't. Fuck! Alright, I'm gonna save my ammo now.
Knuckle cluster. Firing. Reload. Serving him a knuckle sandwich.
I can't shoot them.
Flatline here.
Oh, I hate flatline, bro.
broken enemy shield.
Nice, good job.
That's the last of that squad. This dimension's looking up.
Thank you. Okay, sweet. I just got heaps of ammo. I'm good.
I need some ammo.
Yeah, take it.
Light ammo.
They're shooting at me.
Right, yeah.
No, it's okay.
Opening fire on the enemy.
Launch me knuckle cluster. Go here, fellas. Serving him a knuckle sandwich.
Recharging my shield.
Juicing me shields.
Recharging shields. Look out, grenade.
What do you say we move here? Reckon we should go here.
Target spotted.
2 other squads remain.
Dropping the mother load.
Nice shield.
Deploying me knuckle.
A bit down.
There's a full team. There's a full team behind you.
This left. I am taking fire, friends. Charging shield.
Juicing me shields. Ring's close and closing in 45. It's moving time.
Try let them fight, try let them fight, try let them fight.
Recharging shields. Rings near with 30 on the clock. Let's move. Got an open supply bin here.
Just let them fight. When we see people dropping, we're going to kill them, yeah?
I am repairing myself.
Launching me knuckle cluster. Got me on knuckle cluster. Recharging me shields. I'm out of heavy ammo.
Oh, dude, only 70, bro.
The final ring is
Using thermite. Got that. Recharging me shields. Heal it. I'll walk it off. Juicing me shields.
Oh, that was close.
Deploying me knuckle cluster. Here comes the old knuckle.
Did you see that, Ray? Lol. Right, are they fighting? Tell us! You know what's going on, Ray? You're dead.
Crafted enemy shield.
They're fighting, they're fighting!